Hey there, ready to take Valentine massage to the next level? Let's make your partner feel extra love and pamper with this relaxing face-up routine. Welcome back to part 2 of our Valentine massage series. In part 1, we focused on upper back, legs, and feet to help your partner feel relaxed and appreciate. If you missed it, be sure to check it out for the full experience. Today we are focusing on leg, face, and neck, perfect for easing tension and making this massage even more memorable. So grab your oil lotion and let's make this massage something truly special. Face up routine. We are focused on pampering. Ensure your partner is lying down comfortably on the back and their head and shoulder are supported. We need a small amount of facial oil or moisturizer. Start, place your hand flat on the chest below the collarbone. Use a light stroke outward to the shoulder. Repeat 5 times. Gently place your fingertip at the base of the neck and brushing down to the jawline and down to the neck. Repeat 5 times using a light pressure. This promoting lymphatic drain and improved circulation create a perfect foundation for face massage. Use your fingertip. Start at the center of the forehead and sweep outward to the hairline. Use your fingertip. Trace gently circle around the eye. Start at the corner and move outward. Repeat 3 to 5 times. Place the fingertip underneath the chin and glide outward along the jawline towards the ear. Repeat 5 to 7 times. Always use gentle pressure on the face as it is a sensitive area. To take this experience to the next level, here are a few simple ways to make your partner feel even more pampered. Before applying the paper mask, let's start by cleansing the face with a warm towel. Make sure the towel is not too hot before place over the face for a few seconds. To help open up the pores and soften the skin, use light sweeping motion to wipe away any excess oil or impurity. This step helps prep the skin so the mask can absorb better. Now the face is fresh, warm, and ready for the mask. Apply the face mask after the massage, and the face is clean and warm. This helps hydrate and refresh the skin. Open the mask and apply evenly over the face except the eyes and the mouth. Leave the mask on for 10 to 20 minutes. Before we start the leg massage, let's add some warmth to help those shoulder muscles relax. I'm using a steamer to warm up the towels and stones. This keeps the heat gentle and soothing. When handling them, always be mindful of the temperature. I like to wrap the stone in a towel first. Make sure that it's not too hot. Here, I will place this warm towel underneath the shoulder. Let me know you feel good or you'd like to be adjusted. The heat will help loosen up any tension on the shoulder. Now let's move on to the legs. To keep things comfortable, I'm placing a towel underneath the knee for support. This helps take pressure off the lower back and make it easier to work along the leg. I'm starting with flowing stroke along the middle of the line to the leg from the ankle up to the thigh. This helps improve circulation and ease on any tension. Next, I will work along inside and outside of the leg using the same smooth stroke. The thighs have a lot of nerves, so light pressure feels best in this area. And remember, always communicate with your partner. Everyone's comfort level is different. Let's work on the other leg. To finish, I'm gently to stretch the feet by extending and flexing them, then add a little rocking motion to help the leg fully relax. Now it's time to remove the face mask. Start by gently pulling it off from the edges and gently massage any remaining product into the skin. Let's come up to the shoulder, gliding a warm stone over the shoulders, moving slowly from the neck down to the upper arm. The heat helps melt away tension and make the muscle feel softer and more relaxed. Now let's finish with relaxing hair combing massage. Start by running the fingertips to the hair or using the soft comb. Lightly comb through the side of the head just above the ear to help release tightness. Last, a gentle neck stretch using a towel. This is a great way to release tension and easy stiffness. Take a towel and place it around the back of the neck. Holding both ends, gently pull the towel upward. Allow the head to relax into the stretch. Keep the shoulder down and relax and take slow deep breath. Hold for a few seconds, then release. Repeat 3 to 5 times. This stretches the cervical spine and release tension at the base of the skull. Tilt your partner head to one side while gently pull the towel to the opposite direction. Hold it to 5 to 10 seconds, then switch the side. Repeat 3 to 5 times on each side. Now you have it, my friend. A relaxing massage to help you and your loved one feel cared for. I hope this make it easy and give you the confidence to try it at home. Self-care does not have to be fancy. Just a few small things can make it a big difference. And this is just not a Valentine. You can do this for a birthday, anniversary, or just because. Even a regular self-care routine can feel like a treat. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy self-care tips.